What's going on, guys? Nick here, and today we're going to be installing the Valenti smoke taillights on the car with the sequential turn signals. My buddy Sean is here. He's going to be helping with the install, and we're going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get started on the install. Alright, so to get to the taillight, all you have to do is take the clip popper that came with the car, and then pop the clip right here that holds this liner in, and then it exposes the taillight right here. There's the back of it. It looks like we have 4 bolts, and they probably 8 millimeters, and then just unhook the plug to the taillight, and then we could pull it out and put the new one in. So this is probably going to be a pretty quick and simple install, so let's get started. Alright, so I got the taillight off on this side. It's 4 8mm bolts, and you just unplug this wire into the back of the taillight right here. That gets unplugged, and it's 4 bolts. Sean's working on this one over here. I think he just got all the bolts out of it. It just has to be pulled out of place. So this takes a little bit of wiggling. There's one more bolt on it, and the top. Just takes a little bit of wiggling, and then it'll come out the rest of the way. But this one's all done. We just have to put the Valenti taillight in, and we'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. So we just set the Valenti taillight in for right now. The one thing in the instructions that it makes sure that it tells you is that this gasket in the back that blocks out the water, you make sure that's not pinched or anything, because if it is and condensation gets in the light, your warranty is not covered. So make sure that the gasket is in properly, and if it's not, then you're gonna have problems down the road. So we just have to put the bolts on this one, plug it up, and then do the same on that side, and then we'll show you guys before and afters on what it looks like. Alright, so the Valenti taillights are on the car. This is what they look like. They're pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with how the way they turned out. I'm going to be showing you guys before and after, and I will show you the sequential with sequential turn signals and without. I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. There's a little rocker switch on the inside right here, and you just flip it. On position would be sequentials, off position is not sequential. I believe this one's set up for, yeah, this one's non-sequential and this one's sequential, just so I can show you in the video, but I'm going to be running them as sequential taillights. Alright guys, so that's how you install the Valenti taillights onto your BRZ or FRS. Very simple install, probably took us about 15 to 20 minutes tops, even with filming, so not too bad. And now I'm going to show you guys before and afters of my stock taillights and of the new Valentis with sequential and without. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.